is Almutiatul Chairah. Now I will present the summary of the Travel Agent Landscape 2021 article for the English assignment. The article I got from Tourism Trendbook, and in this discussion I will convey 4 points, namely the outer cycle, mid-cycle, inner cycle, and summary. The outer cycle describes a shift at the mega level that includes major change in the field of technology, politics, social, economy, and in the environment. The shift at the mega level will affect the economic landscape of the travel agent business after the pandemic, where change and development in the travel agent industry after the pandemic will be influenced by the following: fashion production and distribution, digital tourism, global and national recessions, large-scale social restriction policies for closing doors and exits between countries during a pandemic, work from home policies, and the prohibition of intercity business travel, as well as various cancellation of events at both national and global levels. The next, mid-cycle describes various changes that are based on change in consumer behavior, where this change in consumer behavior will affect various business landscape during the COVID-19 pandemic. The following are various changes in consumer behavior in the travel agent industry that will affect the competitive landscape in the travel agent industry, namely nature, eco-wellness adventure, shrink of the senior traveler, fall of international tourists, domestic, micro-traveler, digital maturity, concern, customer fear and anxiety, and self-goods flyless traveler. For self-goods flyless traveler, digital acceleration boosted by the COVID-19 pandemic also affect the customer journey when going on vacation, from choosing a place, choosing accommodation, buying travel tickets, compiling an itinerary to looking for culinary reference. It will depend on the availability of information that can be accessed online. Consumers who are increasingly mature in adapting to technological development are no longer a gap for the tourism industry going online. Impact of coronavirus on travel plans. 82% of people planning to travel in the last 6 months changed their plans due to COVID-19. Within the group, travelers adjust their plans as follows: cancel going 50%, reduce land flight 45%, changing from flights to land lane 22%, changing from international to domestic 11%. For private picnic package, the reduced rate of tourist visits during the pandemic has encouraged players in the tourism industry to make various innovations in order to survive in the midst of a pandemic. One of them is by offering special mini group tour package or exclusive tour package. This tour package service in the future will become popular because people tend to be more comfortable going with people they know closely, so that the potential for transmission of the virus from other tourists can be avoided. For example, Dreamland Jogja, which offer a private picnic for one family only program, which is specially shown for families so that they can experience a picnic exclusively at Dreamland Jogja. Similarly, ordering this tour package, visitor can play and picnic at Dreamland Jogja exclusively and safely for a predetermined duration of time. Intimacy, security, and affordable price are the new value propositions that visitors will really need in the next normal era. The inner cycle describes a shift at the micro level that includes major changes that have resulted in a new competitive landscape during the COVID-19 pandemic. As a result of changing consumer resulting in a new industrial landscape, the following is a new industrial landscape at the level of competition in the travel agent industry, namely like a agile operation model, package innovation, staycation hunter, virtual tour, flexibility is king, contactless ditch adoption. For flexibility is king, a business that is resilient in the era of the COVID-19 pandemic is a business that is flexible and can adapt to current market changes. It is undeniable that the current COVID-19 crisis has changed consumer behavior to the extreme, so that companies must adapt to present new business values according to changing consumer behavior. In the tourism support sector, such as malls and other attractions, many of their buildings have been transformed into drive-in cinema where visitors can watch cinema films from the 90s style car. An example is the Lippo Cikarang Mall parking area, which has been transformed into a cinema. This is solely to create new demands that can become a survival strategy when the main business teams due to the COVID-19 crisis. For virtual tour, the tourism sector has been hit hard by the COVID-19 outbreak. All tourist destinations were forced to close and empty of visitors due to social distancing. The role of technological innovation really helps tourism to survive in times of crisis, one of which is virtual tourism. PT Kereta Api Wisata Indonesia has organized virtual tour activities entitled Virtual Tours The Legend Jogja and Virtual Tour The Lawang Sewu. Online virtual tour services are also offered by Ragunan Zoo. In addition to showing the activities of the animal, in this online tour consumers are also introduced to habitats, way of survival to the status of animal population that are currently in attraction. And the last is summary. So, for travel agents in 2021, there will be a decline like tourist destination. The main key for tourism and creative economy actors to survive in the midst of a pandemic is to have good adaptability, innovation, and collaboration. The reason is at this time community actors are starting to change, and this is accompanied by a shift in tourism trends. That's all from my presentation. If I say something wrong, I'm sorry. Thank you for attention.